All right, so now that the crypto market is starting to look more bullish, I want to change our focus and start to talk a little bit about upcoming launches, smaller projects, ones that could yield 50x returns, because you're not going to get a 50x return in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano. It's not going to happen. So I want to talk about some of these smaller projects that are coming out that I think have huge potential over the next bull market. Today, I want to talk about one launchpad in particular called Tenset. We've talked about this launchpad multiple times on the channel before. If you weren't aware of it, we actually did talk about projects that launched on it, like Everdome, which we did a video on, I think 2 or 3 videos on, which was up 9,400% from the time of its launch to its all-time high. We also talked about MetaHero, which launched on Tenset. It was about 17,000% return from its launch to its all-time high. We didn't talk about all the projects that were on this launchpad. I just talked about the ones that I was investing in, ones that I personally was bullish on. They've also launched Conga Exchange, Fame MMA, and you can see they've done 30,000% returns for some of these investments. So today I want to talk about their next up and coming launch on Tenset's Gem Launchpad. It's called Satoshi Island. This project has a strong team, a pretty good idea, and good partners. And that is exactly what I look for when investing into a new project. Like I said, I don't invest all my life savings, all my money into any of these IDOs, any of these launches. But what I do is that I look at new products that are coming out. If I think they have a strong team, if I think they have a good idea and they have good partners, well, then I put an allocation into all of these different projects. So then the 1 or 2 that end up succeeding really make you life-changing amounts of money. So Satoshi Island has a couple of interesting things I want to talk about. First thing is that its pre-sale will be taking place on August 8th. Tencent, which is the launchpad it will be launching on, talks about this on their Twitter page, and they say that Satoshi Island pre-sale begins on August 8th. They talk about how you can be a part of it. The key things with Satoshi Island is that what it is, it's a private island located in Vanuatu in development to become a sustainable, smart crypto city. And I've seen a lot of people talking about cryptocurrency, where the future of crypto and blockchain is going. I've seen a lot of cities talk about being the crypto capital of the world, and countries saying, that they're the first to do something. So I thought this is a pretty cool idea. So the way that this works is that Satoshi Island Holdings already has a private island located in Vanuatu, and they already have all of the necessary permits and approval by the local government to go ahead with this. This is something that is very important because before they can move forward, they had to acquire an island, get all the different regulations and permits and legal things in place before they can move ahead with it. The key thing about this project, though, is that when you look at their vision moving forward, it has a few interesting things if you like crypto. For example, they integrate NFTs, cryptocurrency, and blockchain technology throughout the entire city, this entire island. So Satoshi Island is a 32 million square foot private island located in tropical island paradise of Vanuatu, tucked between Australia and Fiji, like we said. They have had years of preparation and now have been greenlit by the Prime Minister and Minister of Finance, have all the approvals in place. Moving forward, they have a couple of things that they're doing right now that are helping to attract investors. First thing is that they have 3 different NFTs in place. The first is advanced NFT security. What they're doing with this is they're making sure that NFTs that people buy are extremely secure, because in this city, a lot of different things of ownership, whether you're talking about properties or buildings, are all tied to NFTs. This is what people see as the future. People see NFTs being the future of real estate, and Satoshi Island is doing exactly that. The next thing is these non-fungible property tokens, NFPT. With non-fungible property tokens, these are going to be NFTs that represent different pieces of property throughout the island. Again, this is the vision that a lot of people have for NFTs long term, but Satoshi Island is already doing that. And the third thing is Satoshi Island citizenship NFTs. These NFTs basically just give you the ability and exclusive benefits to live and work on the island. So you can transfer these in the future to other people, but this gives you access to actually live and work there if you want to. You don't have to, but you can. So this, in my opinion, is like the future vision of crypto. Yes, it's a bit extreme. Yes, they're integrating NFTs and blockchain technology into the entire society. But I think, in my opinion, this investment has good potential, short term as well as long term. I think short term, we're going to see this investment do extremely well because of the launchpad it is on. But long term, it does have potential because a lot of people are looking for where is the crypto capital of the world going to be. So just keep an eye out on this project, because every single project that is launched on Tenset on their gem launchpad has done extremely, extremely well. Like I said, Fame MMA was up 30,000%. I wasn't a part of that. I never even knew about it. I didn't invest in it. Whatever. Everdome, we did a couple videos on. That was up 9,400%. MetaHero, we did 2 videos on, I believe, and they were up 16,000% from launch to all-time highs. And Conga Exchange also was up 1,800%, which I didn't know about, didn't talk about. I was never a part of it. So just moving forward, I'm going to keep an eye out on Satoshi Island's pre-sale on August 8th. I haven't bought any tokens yet. No one can buy any tokens yet. But given the track record, given the history of all the launches, I'm going to be a part of this, and I wanted to share it with you guys as well. Like I said, I'm not putting in any significant amount, like life-changing amount of money or any significant amount to me, but the small investment I'm going to make could yield some pretty significant returns, and I just want to let you guys know about it. So let me know your thoughts on Satoshi Island, their whole vision of being a crypto city that integrates NFTs into society. Let me know your thoughts on that, but I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. See ya.